parts that are essentially required. Are you all listening me, children? Okay. Today, yes, we are going to see the floral parts in this. What is this flower? This is China rose, and the botanical name is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Okay. So this flower is a bisexual flower, means it has both male part as well as female part in the flower, single flower. Okay. We have 4 whorls. As per your book, we have 4 whorls. Children, this one, can you see this leaf-like structure here? Thorn leaf-like structure, modified, just appearing like modified thorns in cactus plant. Can you see this? They are how many in number? They are 7 in number. I can count. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here they are 7. So this is known as calyx. I am taking out this part to say which is calyx. These are calyx. These are calyx. Calyx is botanical name, and in English we say this is sepal. These are sepals. Green in color, leaf-like structure, small leaf-like structure. This is the stalk of the flower. Now we come to this part. The same calyx is bearing this covering. This is calyx in fact, but that we start counting from there. After we go complete with this layer, we go to this one. This colorful part. In English it is called petals, and in botany it is called corolla. Corolla. So this is the attractive part which attracts different insects. Okay. So now I am removing all these attractive parts. What am I getting? Can you see now? I have a stalk, just above the stalk I have a swollen base. A swollen base, a long tube-like structure called style, and this is stigma. We have the male part here. These small parts are stamens containing anthers and pollen grains, and this is the stigma. This filament having anther. This is, I will take out one part and show you. This is each of these structures. You have a thread-like structure with a bud at the tip. This is filament. This is anther. Anther contains pollen grain inside. So very small in structure. You can see this swollen base. This is the female part is ovary, style, stigma. This will develop into ovary. Now this is stigma. This is style, tube-like structure. This is ovary. This stigma is having some pointed structures. These male part, this is all female part. Now these male parts with female and anther, they have small structures at the top containing inside it known as pollen grains. These pollen grains, by the act of different agents, wind, insects, etc., they get a chance to move and get stick here at the tip of the stigma. Then through this tube-like structure, this passes inside to reach ovary. The fertilization happens, and then ovary develops into fruit, future fruit. Now let us see what is there inside the ovary. I will show you what am I going to show you? How the ovary will develop. I have taken a new blade and I am going to show you now. You can see here. I am making fine layers. Can you see? very fine layers. I will show you ovules, and inside the ovules the room like structures called locules. Now you see. Can you see? Is it visible to you? Is this all? Is this screen is blurry? Okay. Okay, I'll show you. Can you see this part? Now is it clearly visible? You can see the structure. 5 small rooms and having inside some structural parts here. You see, these are the room like structures and bearing. So these small structures will develop into seeds. These are called ovules. Each room, these 5 rooms here formed, I am showing you, see here. These room like structures, home like structure, just like flower petals, these are the rooms for ovules. They are called locules. These are